What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kilo Loco. What's going on, guys? Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over scoped model, which is kind of it's kind of an architecture, it's kind of a communication pattern. It's a little bit of both, actually. Um, so I'm going to be learning that. It seems to be relatively straightforward. This is one of the first state management things that you would normally learn when you're dealing with Flutter. So yeah, it's something that I need to learn because state management is a big thing, especially when you're getting on to real projects and stuff like that. So we're gonna be going over state management and yeah, I was thinking about doing the block pattern, but I figured, people are already saying that block pattern is kind of overly complex, especially for simple apps. So I figured that I would learn the scoped model pattern or the scoped pattern, or what is it called? Scope model. Yeah, scope model. And that would probably be a better place to start. The block pattern seems relatively easy to me, but I haven't implemented it yet. So maybe just the people that were explaining it explained it really well. But yeah. Oh, and then also you're going to be hearing music in the background because I prefer to be coding with music, and I'm actually using my little cousin's, well, he's not that little, but my younger cousin's SoundCloud account. So if you guys are interested in the music, let me know and I'll send you the link. All right, let's get into it, yeah? And look at, you can find him on SoundCloud, Brother Lee. That's my cousin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From Pasadena, CA. Uh, uh, uh. All right, let's do it. And I was actually not even going to record a live stream. I was going to record a couple of videos talking about Flutter and stuff like that, but it decided to rain. And then I was like, okay, fine. Then if it's raining, it's going to mess with the audio. So I'm going to just do the live stream. And then now that I'm doing the live stream, the rain stopped. So that kind of sucks. But y'all didn't care about that. So let's just get into it. So change directory. All right. I don't know why I have so much energy. Code research, and we'll just do. You know what? I need to make a directory for this. So make directory learning. All right, we'll just do it under Flutter. Oh, it already exists. So let's see what's in Flutter. Oh, okay. I got a couple of things in here. So then let's just go ahead and do Flutter new or I think it's Flutter create scoped model. All right. Let's see. Come back to Swift, bro. Would like to see Viper MVVM in Swift rather than Flutter. I would actually like to never have to even code in MVVM or Viper. That's just me. What's good, bro? Is there a PNG in your terminal? That's chill. Hey, ho. I ain't no ho. You the ho. Ho. What's up, Donat? What's up, Max Codes? What's up, Karanber? Dang, new keyboard. Haha, yes, new keyboard. I'm surprised that you can tell. That's interesting. Let me show you guys the keyboard. I'm still super stoked about it. Real quick. New keyboard. Got that AM Pro. Let's see if you can get it. That's trying to get me. But yeah, new keyboard. Super stoked about it. Super excited to have it. Were you able to tell that just by hearing the keyboards, the keys? That's impressive, Max Codes. If that was just by the keys. Connected device is not available. That's okay. All right, so let's go ahead and we're gonna code. We're gonna code. What is it called? Scoped. And that's gonna open it up in Visual Studio right now. Gotta get it right now. Gonna make a app. Yeah, gonna put a app together using Flutter now. Flap up in yo motherfucking IDE. You don't like me. Name is Kyle Lee. Got them flows, got them bars. Damn nigga, so hard. Gonna write these code real quick. ScopedModel. Hating on a hoe. Yeah. I noticed because the struggle in the terminal. Haha. All right. Let's see. I'm still learning how to do this. I think you have to select this. This is regex, right? Yeah. So you have to do something like anything that has that plus the plus that, and then we're gonna do replace like that, right? Oh, replace all, right? There we go. And then we do command all, and then we do, I always forget which one it is. Wasn't that one? Command all format. Nope, that wasn't it. How do we do it? Command all command shift F? No. Command all control shift F? No. There we go. It was option shift F. Okay. Hey, freestyling in the live stream about some codeine. Gonna drink that codeine and go off the ring. Yeah. Hey. All right. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna be following a document over here, and if you guys want to see it real quick, I'm gonna represent this guy or shout out this guy for putting this together. I don't know who he is. Relatively new, I think, but Nick at fluttercrashcourse.com. We're gonna shout him out because I'm gonna be using his model, his model, and you know what? I'm gonna tweet him using your scoped model article to learn scoped model. Appreciate your hard work. Shift and we'll just shout him out, give him a little shout out, let him know that we're thinking of him. Damn, scope model sucks for someone who barely knows basics of programming. Yagami. Hey man, what's up with this name, Yagami Light? Don't think I don't see you over here. Don't think I don't see you, Yagami Light. Don't be writing no names in no damn notebooks, man. But what are you talking about? Scope model sucks for someone who barely. Are you referring to yourself? That you say that that you barely know programming? Or are you saying that I barely know programming? Because I don't. I know a lot about programming, actually. All right, so we got a class that's just gonna be an object that is going to. Let's think. Why would this be valuable? as opposed to just holding the state in there. Not sure, but that's cool. We're just gonna follow instructions, think it through his process, and then you know, we'll go back some other time, figure it out. All right, so let's do a new file. We'll call this one counter dot dart, counter dot dart, and then what do we want to do? So he had class a counter, and we're just gonna have we're gonna have an integer count, right? It's actually been a while since I've been in doing Dart. It's been like, I don't know, 3 days, and I'm a little bit out of it. Not really sure why. It's kind of sad. That really shouldn't happen. Okay, let me just double check. So he has a counter, and he's putting it in this scoped counter. So you're going to just prefix it with some type of scoped. You want to do a prefix with the word scoped, and then we also, let's see, packages, scope model, extends model. Where is this model coming from? Is it automatically included in Flutter? I'm curious now. Well, anyways, what we need to do is we need to create a scoped counter. Scoped counter. Dart. Scope counter dart. So we're gonna import scoped. Oh yeah, it is in there. Interesting. Oh no, this is the name of our thing. Kyle, you're so stupid. ScopedModel.dart. That's just going to let's see. Scoped model. What is going to be in his scope model.dart? That's what I want to know. Scoped. It's interesting. Let's see if model is automatically a class of. Actually, yeah, that. Okay, so this is gonna be a problem. First, it offers model class. Okay, let's just see what happens if we don't do that. So we'll just do an import on our counter.dart, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say class scoped counter extends model. Yeah, I didn't think that it was gonna work. Upgrades, create scope model. All right, so yeah, it's me, yo. I know you know, but you don't know that I don't know. Package, you're not showing your screen. Oh no, I'm not showing my screen because I was showing you guys the other thing. Yeah, you guys get to watch my big old head while I'm coding. Hell yeah. There should be a scoped model class. There should be a scope model class, Ryan says. Scoped model. Nope. Let's see. All right. I'm not sure where it would come from, but we're also not importing anything. So let's go ahead and import. Is there even a Flutter scoped Flutter model? Import. Let's just import material, see what happens. It might have it on there. Import model. Oh man, come on, don't make me download your thing. I don't want your thing. Ugh. Alright, so I guess we're gonna just go ahead and grab his project and see what exactly he's doing. Thought I could just follow the tutorial, but guess not. Yeah, this is our scoped. Yeah, because we separate models, blah. Scope model dot dart. Yeah, I need to know what's in that scope model dot dart file. So we need, where the hell is his download link? Check out the video here. Ugh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's dive in. Here it is. All right, here we go. Let's see, lib. Scope model. Nope, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted either. Where the hell is your scope model dot dart? Let me see. Okay, so it was in the scope model that he was doing it. So let's, okay, fine. Let's open this up, right? And find out what exactly he's pulling in. So a package called scope model. So then is that really a package? Because I really don't want a package. Better not be. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You may want to look directly at pub page for scope model. I mean, that's just one of many ways to handle state sharing. One of the other ways is using the provider dependency. Ooh, ugh, damn. I thought that, yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do, Ryan. All right. Let's do this. A Flutter provider pattern. That's, yeah, I don't like working with and I'm boycotting Medium actually. Okay. So I like to learn how things work by themselves. I don't want to work with dependencies. I need to understand everything that's going on. Okay, so and the problem is that stupid freaking Medium decided to turn off all their stuff. They decided to block me because I apparently visited too many articles. So now they have a limit and now you have to pay $5 a month. Stupid. Let's see. I need just a general idea of the provider pattern. And I'm pretty sure that was included in Flutter. Provider. Let's see. Ryan says, when you import the package, you can command click into ScopedModel to see class declarations. It's for that sweet VC money. Oh yeah, no thanks. That's exact like that. I'm not behind that. I'm boycotting Medium. Sorry, I would rather not. Let's see, data model, stateless, right? Okay, that's looking kind of libdog model.dart. Okay. Create some sample data. Oh man. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to YouTube because I think that they did this using the provider pattern, Flutter provider pattern, and they talked about this at one of the talks. It was these two guys, but it was at, I think it was 2018. State management using provider. Okay. No. I didn't like this. Oh man. Come on, don't do this to me. It was supposed to be simple. What are these guys called? Philip and Matt. Flutter. Philip, Matt, 2018. I think that's IO. No, it's not this one. State management. That's what it's called. State management in 2018. Management 2018. Pretty sure that was it. Jesus. For real? Or was it 2019? It might have been 2019. Let me think. Yeah, it was 2019. I'm tripping. So, let me see if they're going to actually have the code. Of course not. Flutter. Playlists. Learn. State management. Yeah, it's this one. Pretty sure. Fireship does a good explanation, but again, go to pub.dev where you can find what you need. You could look at the Flutter YouTube channel for their Google I/O talk. Yeah, see, this is what I'm looking for. So I need that code. Yeah, because I watched this entire talk right here, and it seemed pretty basic, but I don't remember how to implement it. Okay. With ChangeNotifier, Flutter Foundation. Okay, let's try this again. We're gonna import a Flutter Foundation like that. ChangeNotifier, right? And we're going to kind of follow. I hope I didn't leave that crash course thing. Okay, so that's going to essentially be the same thing as model, my understanding, right? So it's going to hold reference. It should be holding reference to a change object, or a counter object. So we're going to say counter is equal to a counter, like that. And then what we want to do is we want to create events. So we have a function called increment, right? Yeah, so we would have a function called increment, and this would just this would return. Yeah, I guess you could do it like that, huh? Increment. And what we would do is we would just do counter dot count plus plus, right? So, and then after we do that, what we would want to notify listeners like so. All right. So ChangeNotifier, they're doing something similar. He was working directly with the object. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like they want to make sure that it's a, let me think, state management time. Yeah, I think this is still falling. Okay, 2019 is the most up to date, and they don't have source code access, unfortunately. Stupid mistake. Also, that should be wired up to the parent widget to listen on state changes. Yeah, I gotta do all that, but I'm trying to understand what it was that they're trying to do here. Why they have a get and a set. So let me think through this. They're doing a get and a set so that it can have some type of functionality called when it's done like that. So that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. And then what they're doing, so let's go ahead and mute this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it as playback speed is 200. ChangeNotifier provider. Okay, perfect. And there's going to be a builder. Awesome. And then it's going to create my schedule. Let's see. What is this? My slider. This is super freaking weird. All right. So let's go ahead and just play with this. I'm gonna just do it the way that I think that it's supposed to be implemented. And then also we should technically be able, I think the entire purpose of this was to essentially make this a stateless widget. Stateless widget. And then we would essentially get rid of this. We don't want this. We don't want this. I'm just gonna say this. And let me just we're gonna just do that, and then we'll just do this. All right, so what we want to do is we technically want to have this be a stateless widget. Don't think you need this anymore. Oh, yeah, you do. Never mind. Not thinking through everything. All right, so that's that. That's fine. Then we have our let me think. Floating action would, yeah, we want to have access to our scoped counter. So we would do scoped. Or we could just do const scoped counter, scoped counter like this, right? Let me double check. We need to make sure that we import that, but it is imported. So scoped counter. Let's see. This, yeah, that should maybe a var. Let me think. Oh, not const. That's what it was. Final. Yeah. So we have our scoped counter, and then when we do increment, what we want to actually do is our scoped counter dot increment. Right. Also, be wired may need to rewind a bit, but the get set is because Dart is declarative by design, so it's not the most elegant way, but helps with memory management. Yeah. I think this is going to pretty much do it, though. I think we're actually almost done. And then we can just wrap a provider around the things that are going to actually be updated. So if I'm right, we would actually only need to refactor this. Extract wrap in new widget, and this would be wrapped in our scoped, what is it, listener notification provider. Probably doing this all wrong, and what I'll probably end up doing is ChangeNotifier provider. ChangeNotifier provider. Let's see. ChangeNotifier provider, and then it would have a builder. Interesting. So I'm doing something extremely wrong here. So that's supposed to be there. Let's see. ChangeNotifier provider. I gotta make sure that it's in here first. ChangeNotifier provider. Thomas Watling coming in with the big 50 knocks. Thanks, Thomas. Always appreciate it, man. Jeez, man. He's so generous. My God. I believe, though, it's provider scoped counter, something like that. Scoped counter. All right, back to the internet. Scoped let's do this right. So Flutter scoped provider scope notif. What is it called? Change notifier. Change notifier provider. Ah, look at this. Look at, oh, they took it off. Nothing with medium. Change notifier has listeners. Let's see. So then where's the listeners? Because that's the weird thing. Ugh. This makes me very extremely disappointed because I wanted to learn without a package, and now I feel like I have to use a package, and that's going to make me sad. Change notifier, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, right? Blah blah blah. Where is this? Okay, provider of that, and then okay. So let's say well, hold on, because you did it wrong, dude. My app. So the actual code should be somewhere in here, but he's doing it up in here. Build. Oh, okay. So this is wiring it up to your stateless my app. Multi-provider. Okay. Hold on. Stream provider. Okay, let's just try this out. And what we're gonna do is, this was his home, right? Or is this something else? My app.build. Yes. So the material app is wrapped. Okay. That's what it was. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. Wrap it in a new widget. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we're gonna wrap it in what looks to be a multi-provider. Multi-provider. Multi-provider has providers and a child. Okay. Oh God. Frustrated much? I think so. What the okay. Provider. Where are you? I believe though it's provider speed count, something like that. Just go to code. For add listeners, you can add anonymous functions or function calls in it. Yeah, but oh my God, this should be done. See, this is why I don't like reactive programming. The people wrap all this shit up in all kinds of bullshit, and then I have to use everybody else's dependencies. I don't like doing that. It's super simple. And that's the problem, is that everybody gets taken away with all these packages and dependencies, and then that's all they teach, like it's the only way to do something, and it's definitely not. And that's frustrating. References, Fireship provider. Flutter provider widget. Provider widget. Yeah, see, it doesn't even have a provider widget. You might be missing an import. Yeah, I know, but it's like they don't show me where the heck that is. See, look at this garbage. Redirects to this crap. Okay, you said that I might be able to take a look at it, right? So, contributors. Okay, can I look at the source code? Don't want to use your garbage. I want to use my own garbage. Let's see. About widget author license dependencies, more packages that depend on ScopedModel. Okay. Example. Installing. Maybe versions. Let me think. I think it's under versions. Nope. And look at GitHub. Okay, let's see if they have easy access to GitHub or they're gonna make it a pain in my ass. Probably a pain in my ass, huh? All right. Frustrated much? I think so. You know what the problem with this is that it's going to be way overly complex to understand how to implement this crap. All right, listenable. Okay. Remember something like that. Stateless. What does it do other than just make itself listenable? Let me see. Listenable. Listenable. Listeners. It's on the right hand side of that pub.dev page. Found it. Don't like this. Whatever. I'll learn their garbage first and then I'll come back and learn it myself. Fucking stupid. So frustrating. I hate that though. It's not the right way to learn. Using a package, that's what you're teaching people, to use packages? Stupid. Absolutely stupid. I don't understand this culture that we have in development or in the programming world where we're saying to go learn by using other people's code first. Stupid. It's not the right way to do it. A package may not list itself as a dependency. Okay, how the hell do I install this? Just, what am I doing wrong? What are you talking about? Okay. Oh, oh my God. Wow. For real? Oh, dude. This is not good. Okay. What did I miss? What am I missing? Because this is phenomenal. Flutter pub get in scope. Error on line 20. Okay. A package may not list itself as a dependency. What? Oh, because I called this garbage. It's... Oh, my God. Alright. Get over it. You're better than this. Alright. Get over it. Alright, so practicing scope. Fucking garbage. Oh my God. Fucking stupid as hell. Alright, that's not what I freaking meant. Garbage. No, too much. What is this garbage? Dude, come on. Fucking so sensitive. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Alright, so scoped counter. Oh my God, Kyle. I'm gonna kill you, dude. Damn, dude. Today is not my day. Oh my god. Extends model. Whew. Calm down, Kyle. It's not that serious. I know. I'm just messing with me a little bit too much right now, and it's not making me happy. It's not making me happy. All right. Increment. And we're going to say counter dot count. Oh my god, don't do that. Don't do it. Notify listeners. All right. Howdy, man. This is Adrian from Roberto's Discord. How are you doing? Doing really well. Front end Nexus night. It's kind of cool that we're in the Roberto's thing, and you're a programmer, so that's pretty awesome. How are you doing? I wasn't being courteous. How are you doing? All right, scope model. Import that garbage. We need to use regex, and we need to use like this, like that, like this, like that. Hit it from the back. Don't give it back when I hit it back. All day, no play. No way, no way. Got a Lambo way. All right, so let's import scoped. We need that, and then we also need import a scope model like that. And then what do we need to do? So this is going to be a stateless widget. Got to get rid of this stuff. Get rid of this and that. What is this? Get rid of it. And what we need to do is we need to create a scoped counter. So final scoped counter like that, and then we can say over here scoped counter dot increment like that. All right, so that, and then over here for the count, what we want to do is, let's take a look at what he did, and let's just make sure we're doing it. So I see that he has a scope model wrapped around all that. And I'm not really sure why you would want to do that. Because it would still render out all of that. Not sure if that's the best thing to do. Oh, because that's not actually sending the... Okay. Alright, well in that case, it looks like that's actually not going to be notified, but it's saying everything in here can receive notifications. So let's go ahead and refactor that, add it, wrap it in a new widget. Scoped model like that. And let's see what we got for the scoped model. We need to make sure that we have the model that we're going to be doing something to. So model is going to be our scoped counter, like that. And then we're also going to wrap this into a new widget. Scope descendant. What is it called? A scoped model descendant. Scoped model descendant. All right, because I don't know how to spell. Scoped model descendant. Where are you? There you are. And there we go. And I don't think it has a child. Does it have a child? I think it has a builder instead. Model counter. And yeah, so let's go ahead and remove this. Let's take a look at the inside. This was for the text. There we go. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it got up in there as a builder. It does have a child. Rebuild on change. Yeah. So don't need the context. Don't need the widget, but do need the model. So don't need the context. Don't need the widget. Do need the model. Hold on. Let's see what happened. Context. Widget. I can't. Whoa. What are you doing? I don't like that. How do you unused arguments? So Dart unused argument. Let's try that, see what happens. All right, you don't care about, for example, for callbacks, unused, don't produce hint when is used as the name of local variable. It's actually an unused variable. It doesn't. I don't think. Yes, please. When multiple arguments are ignored. Okay, agree. Local variables. So did this get what? That's kind of stupid. That's so damn stupid. No, this is a widget. And then this is a context. So stupid. All right, so we can do this, and then we can say we're just gonna create a text widget, which is going to simply show our model dot and this is going to be a type counter. Scoped counter actually. Let me double check this. Model does so this is going to be counter count, right? Looks right to me. All right, let's run this bad boy. Not so happy about this one. I forgot how to even run it. So let's go ahead and open up a simulator. Where the heck is that simulator? XS, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. It's what I wanted. It's what I wanted. It's what I wanted, you on it? It's what I wanted, yeah. 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 Oh, gotta get that money, hey. Gotta get that money, yeah. Don't like your widgets. Oh, you look like Piglet. Oh, curly tail in the motherfucker. Oh, just dirt in the motherfucker. Oh, learning Flutter with the scope model. Oh, I think I need another bottle. Oh, cause it got me real mad now. Oh, I gotta put the thing right there. Oh, gotta run it in the terminal. Oh, now I got VS Code. Oh, press the little play button there. Yeah, run it on my iPhone XS. Yeah, given that. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Do 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 do. Sco. Don't like this. So what you need to actually do is all right. Need to figure out how to do this by ourselves because I really hate using dependencies if I shouldn't have to. All right, let's see. We press plus. It's working. See that? It's not all big and sexy like it should be, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Gotta learn how to do things. Yeah. Don't wanna use things made by other devs. No, I wanna write my code. Don't stop me from learning. I want to be the king. Yeah. Make apps for Apple now. You got a nasty unibrow. Gotta pluck that shit. Cause it is legit. Some nasty fucking shit. Yeah. Try to decrement on my counter now. Okay, decrement. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Count. Notify listeners. I need a new button to decrement my account. Let's add it right under here. Float in action now. Gonna put it down. Use my counter now. Call it something new. This is a fucking... Let's see. Floating action button. Let's see. Floating action button. How do we do this? Oh, it's expecting a widget. Awesome. We can put it in a row. Got two in a row and just make it go sideways. Yeah. Refactor to a row. Yeah. Let's decrement our count. Yeah. Change the title now. Yeah. Call this minus now. Subtract. Hyphen. Dash. Add. Subtract. Right? What's the opposite of add? Minus? Negative? Hyphen. Okay, that's kind of stupid. You know what? It is what it is. Let's just accept that maybe a dash is not part of this. It's a lot of smacks. It's a whole lot of... What is this? Horizontal? Is the opposite of plus horizontal? Don't think they're gonna render if I go too fast. Let's see. What do we got? I don't think they actually have... I mean, they have this. Do not disturb. That's not really what I want. Are you working? Where's it going? Where's it at? -1. We could just do exposure -1. I think we might just do that. Thanks, Vishnu. Yeah, wife said that I was getting kind of scruffy now. Yeah, had to shave my motherfucking beard. Yeah, cause I was looking kind of real weird. Yeah, she didn't like that shit. Yeah, time to cut it all off. Yeah, didn't like it at all. Nah, yeah, gonna put a minus in here now. Yeah, let's just use some text because I wanna hurry up and go on to the next. Yeah, make sure you decrement because I'm sick and tired of the shit. Yeah, don't want to be playing with no motherfucking lame. Nah, yeah, let's see what happened. Gotta change that row. Looking like a hoe. Didn't think about that. Main axis line man. Yeah, main axis go to the end. Yeah, and you're not my best friend. But that don't mean we can't be nice to one another. Let's try this. Alright, -1. Nah, that ain't gonna work for me. Yeah, you see my name is Kyle Lee and I don't see you working. Nah, why didn't you wanna decrement my fucking number on the counter? I just want this to work right now. It doesn't like how I implemented it. So guess it's back to here and learn out why it's so weird. Yeah, don't think I did it right. It's cause it's so late at night. And I don't think it's registering all my taps. Stupid thing. Where did I go wrong? Oh, stupid Kyle. Oh my god. So stupid. All right, it's working. So, implemented scope model. Not happy about it. Because I had to use a package. And packages in dependencies make you worse. You know why? Because you don't really know what you actually just did. I don't feel any smarter having learned this. It just means I can follow some instructions. And I really wanted to learn how to do this. Scope model. That was the fucking goal. But that is a no-go. Because I didn't learn anything. Instead, I just used a dependency. Yeah. Don't want that. No. No. I just don't want that. No. No. It works, but I don't like it. I don't know. I learned it for what it's worth. I learned it. Didn't really learn anything, but I learned it. It just works. That's why it just works. So I should be happy, right? I should just be happy, I guess. All right. Well, guys, it's 11:46 here. I told my wife that I'd come in earlier. Kind of angry. Really angry, though. But I got to flow. Because my little cousin got the beats. While I sit in my seat. Get to enjoy his nice beats. Yeah. Rhythm, flow. Rhythm, go. Flutter, no. Alright, guys. So, I think that's going to be it. I didn't really learn anything today. And that's frustrating. I learned that scoped model is actually a package and it's not what I was looking for. Don't like that. Let me go back over to my thing. Real quick, if you guys have any questions, let me know now and I'll address them. Let's see. Peer. Let me see. All right. So, let's talk about what happened today. And let's talk about how I feel about it. And why I don't like this. Okay, so if you are a fan of the channel, you'll notice that I have put out a video recently saying that libraries make you worse. And I stand by that 100%, right? I stand by that 100% because they do make you worse. They don't actually make you, like, they don't actually take your skill and bring it to a lower level in that sense, but they make you worse as a developer. And the reason for this is because you actually are depending on somebody else's code to do something, and you don't fully understand what's going on in your code right now, or in your in the borrowed code, in your dependency code. You don't fully understand what's happening. You just know, hey, I made it work. So, and I'm not saying that you have to go all the way down and learn binary to know how these things work. I'm just saying you should definitely strive for a native solution if you can, especially when you're first learning. So what we did today is the exact reason why I don't like using dependencies and why I feel like it makes you a worse developer. I implemented ScopedModel. I have no idea what it's doing. I don't know which widgets it's using. I don't know exactly why it works. I don't understand any of this. If I was able to build it out myself and I saw, okay, it's going to be using this widget, it's going to be using that widget, then okay, then I understand it, because then I would be implementing Flutter's Flutter's implementation of it, or Flutter's given widgets, whatever the native foundation widgets are to Flutter, I would just be using those. And I can chalk it up at that. Like, I'm not going to say that I need to understand how to write all this out in Dart and recreate Flutter. That doesn't make sense. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to understand what the native approach is without a third-party dependency, right? So I didn't get to learn that, and now I'm relying on ScopedModel to always work. I'm relying on this dependency to always work in order for me to be able to recreate these results, and I really don't like that. It's bothering me right now that I still don't know what's going on in my project. Like, it's just gonna bother me. I'm gonna go to sleep bothered. I might not even sleep. I'm probably this is actually what I'm gonna do. This is actually what I'm gonna do. Look at this. What I'm actually gonna do when I go back inside is, because this is gonna bother me so freaking much, I'm gonna go over to YouTube. And then what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna save this for later, I'm gonna do a Flutter State Management 2019. And we're going to put this on watch later so that I can get easy access to it. I'm going to watch this video right here. I'm going to figure out because I'm pretty sure that they didn't use dependencies. I would be surprised if they used dependencies right here. I'm going to go over to this video and I'm going to watch it. And the reason why I'm going to watch it is so that I can understand what the hell is going on, why I'm doing what I'm doing in this project, like how to actually implement ScopedModel with the native elements, the native widgets. So that's what I'm probably going to do when I go back inside. I'll just put it on my phone. I'll watch it while my wife is watching, like, Game of Thrones, because we have Game of Thrones on repeat, like, lately, just watching it's just going through all of them. But yeah, and when I learn how to do this state management, I'm going to teach y'all how to do it. But since I use this garbage, it's not garbage, but since I use this, this dependency that just does everything for you, there's nothing for me to teach you. You just follow these stupid instructions down here. You're done. I'm bothered right now. Leave me alone. I'm mad. I like to learn stuff. I don't like to be just handed stuff. But yeah. All right, guys. So that's going to be it. That was my little rant. I can't get over it. I'm just mad. I'm mad. Dude, it bothers me so much. All right. Yeah, that's going to be it. It is what it is. All right, guys. Well, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thanks again to Thomas Watland. He always comes in. He always helps me out. He always, he's always hooking it up. Thomas Watland is the mother man. He's the man. He is the man. Because he's single-handedly supporting me. He's buying me all kinds of food. Supporting my family, my babies. He's doing that. So thanks to you, Thomas Watland. Really appreciate it. And yeah, I will be releasing all kinds of videos this week. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. A couple more Flutter. I'm going to actually start doing Flutter tutorials. You're going to get a couple Swift tutorials if you're interested in that. And there's going to be a couple of videos on different development topics that I think you guys will be interested in. Stuff like why I chose Flutter in the first place. Flutter versus Swift. What do I think? Things like that. So make sure you're subscribed because that stuff's coming out very soon. All right. That's going to be it for tonight. Thanks again. Go out there and make sure you keep coding passionately. Oh, yeah.